So this is me using a flint and steel with some char cloth, getting a spark to ignite the char cloth, blowing it slightly to get it going, and then I'm going to drop it into a tinder bundle. As you can see, this is dried grasses and bark and twigs on the outside, tied around with a natural piece of cordage. Start blowing it into flame. When the smoke gets thicker, you know you're nearly there. And there you go, there's the flame. The beauty of this type of tinder bundle, in comparison to the bird's nest, is you can keep hold of it and you can manipulate it. As you can see, I'm turning it sideways and letting the flames catch. And then you can place it upside down so the fire rises. You can also notice a lot of smoke on this. The bark is still a little green. It was a bit of an experiment I was doing, just to see how it'd go, and some rubbishy materials I had knocking around. As you can see, the cordage there holding it, easy enough to make. I can do videos on cordage if people want me to. There's lots of different types of natural materials that can be used for cordage. But it really doesn't want to burn that well. I will be showing how to make these fire bundles out of better materials in an upcoming video that we're doing. And as you can see here, it nearly went out. Not quite. So just by adding a few more dry bits, we got the fire going.